Augusto share Adom TV near the more coyens and for Fromu. Also for an answer, yeah, one more agenda, ne children's social protection, so swani, a year Lariba, Zurira, Abudu. Then what in summer to judge more say school feeding program no, and they make us say, or more share no more say, one befa caterers, bears 34,000. Yeah, a ma teacher pa, but I didn't answer one benye do my ye, now what me and ye be a dear someone who and Wabusia.
Ghana School Feeding is one of our the government flagship programs, which is very consistent with the major policies and development strategies of the government, such as the Ghana Shared Growth Development Agenda, Ghana National Social Protection Strategy, and currently hinging on the SDG 1, 2, 4, and 5. So these are the reasons why the Ghana School Feeding is working. There has been considerable growth. Before I continue, let me say I want to applaud the caterers. At least they have been patient all through for their payment. And I want to assure them that we are doing all what it takes to solve all the problems that they have brought to my table. All the arrears, the outstanding bills, the 4 days cooking bills, everything have been tabled, and we are working around the clock, and definitely we will solve all those problems. So if you look at what was happening, then the Ghana School Feeding Program had 1,671,707 beneficiaries in 2016. And this has increased to 3,801,491 in 2023. And this covers 10,832 public basic schools. And that is from the kindergarten to P6. Is huge. So what we have done, the following cost per meal, per day, per child was increased from 8 pesos in 2016, 80 pesos, sorry, in 2016 to 1 cedi. Friends from the media, in 2023, the cost per meal, per child, per day has been proposed as 1 cedi, 20 pesos, as we stand now.